Have you ever looked at crochet and wondered how a simple piece of yarn can become fabric? Blankets, scarves, clothing, even small toys, jewelry, all begin with the same simple movement of yarn and a hook. In this video, I'll gently show you what crochet actually is, how it works, and why so many people find it calming to learn. If you've never crocheted before, this is a good place to begin. Hello and welcome to Mindful Crochet. Today we'll simply explore what crochet is. How it works and why so many people enjoy learning it. Many people feel unsure when starting crochet. You might wonder, is it difficult? Do I need special skills? What tools do I need? The good news is that crochet is built from very small movements, repeated slowly. Anyone can learn with patience and practice. At its simplest, crochet is a way of creating fabric using yarn and a hook. Instead of weaving threads together like in woven fabric, crochet forms a series of loops that connect to each other. Each new loop is pulled through another loop or loops using a hook. Over time, those loops build rows or rounds of stitches, and those then create fabric. To start crochet, you only need two basic things: yarn and a crochet hook. The hook helps pull the yarn through loops to form stitches. Yarn can come in many colors, textures, and thicknesses. Hooks also come in different sizes, depending on the yarn and the project. But to begin learning, you only need one hook and one ball of yarn. Crochet fabric grows one stitch at a time. A stitch is simply a loop of yarn that is pulled through another loop. These stitches form rows, and rows build the fabric. This process is very repetitive, which is why many people find crochet calming and relaxing. With crochet, you can make many different things, such as blankets, scarves, garments, bags, toys, decorations, jewelry, but every one of those projects begins with the same simple stitches. That's why learning the foundations is so important. Many people enjoy crochet probably because it allows the mind to slow down. The repetition of the stitches creates rhythm, and the hands become focused on a simple movement. For some people, it becomes a creative practice. For others, it becomes a moment of calm in a busy day. When learning crochet, it's helpful to remember that your hands are learning something new. At first, the movements might feel unfamiliar, but with repetition, they become natural. Crochet does not require speed. It simply requires patience. In the next lessons, we'll begin learning the very first steps of crochet. How to hold the hook, how to hold the yarn, and how the first stitches are formed. Each lesson will build slowly from the previous one. If you're curious about learning crochet, you are in the right place. Take your time, explore the next lesson when you're ready, and allow your hands to learn at their own pace. Thank you for being here.